Have you ever wondered how super drinks can revitalize your body? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of super drinks, these mysterious potions that have taken the health and wellness scene by storm. But what exactly are these super drinks? These are beverages packed with a powerful punch of nutrients. They're crafted from an array of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to herbs and spices, and even some surprising elements like algae and mushrooms. The popularity of these nutrient-dense drinks is soaring, particularly among those who are on a quest for better health and well-being. And why wouldn't they be popular? They promise a panoply of health benefits, from boosting energy levels and improving digestion, to enhancing skin glow and even supporting mental clarity. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of super drinks and how they can boost your health. So, you might ask, what makes these drinks super? Well, it's all about the science, and when we delve into the world of super drinks, the term super signifies their superior nutritional profile. These beverages are brimming with vital nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. These elements work synergistically to promote our health and wellness, from boosting our immune system to enhancing our brain function. But what sets super drinks apart from regular beverages? It's their preparation process. They're typically made from whole, unprocessed ingredients, ensuring maximum nutrient preservation. Unlike many common beverages, super drinks are not filled with artificial sweeteners or preservatives, which can be detrimental to our health. They're designed to deliver a potent punch of health benefits in each sip, making them a convenient and delicious way to nourish our bodies. Now that we've understood the science behind super drinks, let's explore the different types available and their specific benefits. Super drinks come in many forms, each with its own unique health benefits. Let's dive right into some of the most popular types. First up, we have green juices. These verdant concoctions are typically packed with leafy greens like spinach or kale, alongside other nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables. They're a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, with a single glass potentially covering a significant portion of your daily needs. The beauty of green juices lies in their ability to boost your immunity and provide your body with the fuel it needs to function at its best. Next, we have protein shakes. These are not just for gym enthusiasts. Protein is a vital building block for our bodies, contributing to muscle growth and repair, as well as supporting our skin, hair, and nails. Incorporating a protein shake into your routine can help you meet your protein needs and promote a sense of fullness, aiding in weight management. Lastly, let's talk about probiotic drinks. These are beverages infused with beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. The stars of these drinks are the probiotics themselves, which can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even enhance mental health. Each of these super drinks offers a unique blend of nutrients, catering to different health needs. So, whether you're looking to boost your immunity or improve your digestion, there's a super drink for you. In conclusion, super drinks offer a delicious and convenient way to boost your health. These nutrient-dense elixirs can help bolster your immune system, increase energy levels, and even promote better sleep. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, enhance your skin's natural glow, or support your heart health, there's a super drink for you. So, why wait? Why not give super drinks a try? Experience the power of these nutrient-packed beverages and see the difference they can make in your health and wellness journey.